guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tiffany. You guys can call me Tiff. And my channel is all about beauty, lifestyle, crafting, and sometimes I bake. If that sparks your interest, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time I upload, which is every Friday. As for today's video, I am going to show you how to do your own at-home blowout. Because one, that's super expensive. Two, you just need two products. If you guys are interested on how I got my hair like this to look nice and shiny and set to go, go ahead and keep watching my video. Being that, I'm gonna brush my hair. I did a really good hair wash today. I put some oils in for my blend this morning and I let it sit the entire time, and then I washed it, and now it's like, it just feels so healthy and good now. Now I'm gonna be using the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. They actually gifted me this. I knew nothing about hair, like I'm just starting my hair care journey and trying to actually do stuff with it. They sent me this and I instantly just love it. It just makes my hair super shiny and soft and makes my blowout last for like 3 days. I'm like, what is this thing? So I'm gonna be very sad when it starts running out because I use a lot of it. I did my research before, like I tried it out. You're supposed to soak your hair in this a lot. You're gonna watch me do that. I'm gonna part it in sections. We are gonna just soak our hair. I am drenched in this Dream Coat. So most of these products were gifted. So this blowout brush is by Bondi Boost, and I think it's a 2-inch one. And it's also a removable head. This is what I'm going to be using to do my blowout. I'm using this one, the detachable part, because I want to dry my roots. The way I'm going to dry is I'm going to flip my entire head over and like just dry my roots. So that's the first step, and that's what you're gonna see me do here in just a minute. All the products that I'm using, I'm gonna place it in the description down below. It's also in my LTK, so I'll attach that link and you guys can definitely just go ahead and get it yourself, because you'll just see the results and you'll be like, hell yeah. So now that my roots are pretty much dry, like you can see, it added volume to my hair. That's exactly what we want. I don't know, the Dream Coat, like it does this, like it makes it stay. I don't know. My hair used to not do this. My hair, because it's so long, it's heavy. So it just goes flat for most of the time. So we're just gonna pin this up and separate our hair. So now that we've done that, we're gonna attach the brush back to it. Super easy. So these are the settings for the brush. There's off, cool, low, and high. But when I blow dried my hair, I did it on high, so it can just kind of heat up fast and dry faster. So it's still like somewhat, it's dry but also a little bit damp. This part is definitely damped. When I actually blow out my hair, I use the low setting because I go over it a couple times. I don't want to like burn my hair. I'm going to put it on low. Once it's like starting to get dry, this is when I'll start styling it. You'll just see how I start twirling the brush to style it. I really don't know how to explain it. I just kind of do it. So I'll try my best. So just did the bottom of my hair, and it does take a minute because I have long hair. You can see like how shiny it is already. This is what the ends are gonna look like. My hair is in layers, so this part comes out like kind of straight but a little curl at the end. It gets shorter and shorter and then it gets easier. I really think I'm gonna cut my hair because I just can't do it anymore. My hair is so long and it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, I love it. Summer's coming up, I'm like, I need to do something. Like, there's no way that I'm gonna stick with, you know, all of this. We're just gonna repeat the whole process again. This is a part where like my hair starts getting shorter, and this is where I start focusing on building up the volume. You'll see me kind of put the brush up here and kind of stay there for a little bit, like in my root area. I'm still gonna dry my hair, just doing the whole blowout process. Now that we've got most of our hair done, we are going to do the top. We are going to separate it back to front. We'll do this part first. It's officially done. Look at my hair. I don't even know like where to begin to explain that. My hair has never really looked this good. It looked cute and stuff before, like just natural, but it just, all it looked was long. This makes it look like I walked out of a salon. So yeah, this is how I get my hair using basically two products, the Color Wow and the Bondi Boost. As for like my hair wash stuff, that might also be it. I also use the Bondi Boost shampoo. I just upgraded my hair life recently and I'm just like loving everything thrown at me. The shampoos, the Dream Coat, the Bondi Boost brush. Like, I'm so proud of myself because I'm grown. I'm not a cheap ass bitch no more that buys freaking those $5 shampoos. Like, no. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I get my hair to get that blowout effect. This is my new go-to. Like if I don't curl my hair, if I don't straighten it, if I don't do nothing, and it's not dirty, I go for this blowout look all the time now. My hair is good, I feel good. Same with like, I can go with like a natural makeup like I am now, or I can freaking pop off and like do a whole full face glam. It'll look just 10 times better. But as long as my hair is done, my life is set. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I'll be back with more videos.